Can rhinoplasty cure snoring? Well, rhinoplasty can cure snoring if the answer is the deviated nasal septum correction. Sometimes what happens is that your nose septum, that means the cartilage in between the nose, is deviated. That can lead to severe obstruction in the breathing, and that can in turn cause snoring while sleeping. But it is important that you understand that snoring can be due to multiple reasons like sleep apnea and other diseases also. You have to consult a physician or a sleep apnea disorder specialist also, so that you get the best results with rhinoplasty or any other cause of snoring.